Your car has features hidden inside it right now that your dealer never told you about, and one of them can save you from a $2,000 mistake. We found 17 of them. Let's go.
Welcome back to Driviq. I'm talking secret tricks, hidden buttons, and built-in features that most drivers have literally never touched, some of which could protect your wallet, your safety, and your sanity. These are real, factory-built features sitting inside your car right now. Let's count them down. Those thin horizontal lines on your rear windshield, they're pulling double duty, and most people only know about one of the jobs. Yes, they defrost your glass, but that exact same grid is also your car's primary antenna for satellite radio. Every single line is part of a signal network embedded directly into the glass. So when someone takes an ice scraper to the inside of that window or wipes it down with a rough cloth, they're physically destroying the antenna. You'll notice it as degraded reception, dropping signals, and static that slowly gets worse. Here's the kicker. One broken grid line can kill an entire frequency band. And a full rear window replacement from avoidable damage? $300 to $800, depending on your vehicle. Clean the inside of that rear glass with a soft microfiber. That's it. That's the whole fix.
$300 saved with a microfiber cloth is great, but this next one could literally save a life. Every headrest in your car has a hidden release button. Look at the base where the two metal rods slide into the seat. There's a small recessed button right on the collar. Press it while pulling up, and the headrest comes out clean in seconds. Now, here's what they don't put in the commercials. Car manufacturers designed those metal rods to shatter a side window in an emergency. If someone is trapped inside a locked vehicle, the headrest becomes a glass-breaking tool. But honestly, even outside of emergencies, this feature is incredibly useful. Removing the headrests makes rear seat cleaning dramatically easier, lets you fold seats completely flat, and gives rear passengers noticeably better sightlines on long drives. That little button has been sitting there your whole life. Now you know what it does. That circular cap on your front bumper? Not a vent, not a design detail, not decorative. It's hiding something that could save your bumper from a $1,500 replacement. Pop that cover off, and you'll find a threaded receiver built directly into your vehicle's frame. That's where a tow hook screws in. If you're stuck in a ditch, buried in a snowbank, or sunk in mud, that hook is your anchor point. Without it, tow straps have no solid place to attach. Improvised hookup points can rip clean off your bumper, and on a modern vehicle, bumper replacement easily runs $1,500 or more. That little cap is standing between you and that bill. Know where it is before you need it. This one genuinely irritated me when I figured it out, because automakers are actively trying to charge you for something you already own. Car manufacturers want you to believe that pre-cooling or preheating your car requires a smartphone app and a monthly subscription, anywhere from $15 to $25 a month. Recurring revenue, billions of dollars annually across the industry. Here's what they don't advertise. On most modern vehicles, your key fob can already do this completely free. Press the lock button once, then press and hold the remote start button, usually marked with a circular arrow or the letters RS. Your engine fires up and your climate system kicks on at whatever temperature you left it set to. No app, no subscription, no monthly fee. The hardware has been sitting in your key fob the entire time. They just really hope you don't find out.
If your car feels sluggish off the line, hesitates when you accelerate, or just lost that snappy throttle response it had when it was new, this 2-minute fix might be all you need. Turn your car on without starting the engine, key to accessory position, or one press of the start button without touching the brake. Press the gas pedal all the way to the floor. Hold it there for a full 10 seconds. Turn the ignition completely off. Wait 30 seconds. Start the car normally. That's it. Your throttle body just recalibrated itself. This reset can eliminate delayed acceleration, jerky response, and that dead stop hesitation that makes your car feel a decade older than it is. Mechanics charge $50 to $150 to run diagnostics and perform this same reset electronically. You just did it yourself, for free, in a parking lot.
Your car has already been warning you about this. You've just been ignoring it. Every time you start the vehicle, a low battery alert appears in your instrument cluster. Most drivers tap OK and completely forget about it.
until the fob stops working in the worst possible location at the worst possible time. Watch for the early signs: doors not locking on the first press, remote start failing to respond, having to hold the fob unusually close to the door handle. Here's the kicker. A replacement battery costs about $5 and takes 30 seconds to swap at home. But if you let the fob die completely, some vehicles require a dealer visit to resync it. That service call runs $75 to $150. $5 versus $150. Don't be that person.
But what if you already missed that warning and your fob is completely dead right now? Don't panic. Your car can still start. Most modern vehicles have a hidden NFC reader or passive transponder built directly into the start button, or a designated spot on the center console, usually in the cup holder area. When the fob battery is totally dead, place the fob directly against the start button or that marked spot. Then press the button normally. The car reads a passive RFID chip inside the fob, a chip that requires zero battery power. The battery only powers the remote buttons. The chip itself works forever. Car manufacturers hide this emergency procedure in a single paragraph buried deep in your owner's manual, because if you don't know about it, you call the dealer. Now you know.
This one is hiding in plain sight on your door pillar, and it's one of the most overlooked safety features in the entire vehicle. That plastic slider where your seatbelt feeds out, it moves. Press the button on it and you can slide the entire anchor point up or down the pillar to fit your exact height. Here's why that actually matters. A seatbelt positioned too high crosses your neck in a crash and can cause serious injuries that the belt was designed to prevent. Too low, and it slides off your shoulder entirely, leaving your upper body unrestrained. 5 seconds of adjustment. That's the difference between a seatbelt that protects you and one that fails you in the moment it matters most. Some vehicles even tie this into your driver profile memory, adjusting it automatically alongside your seat and mirrors when you get in. Small feature, huge impact. Parking your car for 2 or 3 weeks? Here's something most people never think about until they come back to a completely dead battery. Even when your car is off, it's running. Sensors are monitoring, memory settings are staying active, security systems are ticking away. That parasitic drain adds up every single day the car sits. Many modern vehicles have a deep sleep or transport mode built into the settings menu, usually under vehicle or battery management. Activating it shuts down non-essential background systems and dramatically reduces drain during long-term parking. And here's why this matters beyond just being stranded. A fully drained battery doesn't just inconvenience you, it permanently damages the battery cells and shortens the lifespan of a part that costs $150 to $300 to replace. Before your next long trip, spend 30 seconds in that settings menu. Your battery will thank you.
Your power window stops halfway. The auto up and down feature suddenly won't work. Most people assume it's a broken motor or a wiring issue and head straight to the dealership. Try this first. Roll the window all the way down and hold the button for 3 full seconds after it hits the bottom. Roll it all the way back up and hold the button for 3 full seconds after it reaches the top. Done. The window motor just relearned its full travel range and recalibrated its auto stop positions from scratch. Dealerships charge diagnostic fees to perform this exact reset. Most drivers just assume something is broken. And here's the kicker. If your auto reverse safety feature stopped working correctly, the same recalibration brings it right back. 30 seconds before spending $150 at the dealer. Open your trunk right now and look along the base of the rear seat back panel. There's a pull strap, a small loop, or a release lever sitting there, and most people have never noticed it. Pull it, and your rear seat folds completely flat in one smooth motion. No climbing over seats, no awkward reaching, no sending someone inside the car to push while you pull from the trunk. Car manufacturers installed this specifically for loading long cargo, lumber, surfboards, furniture, without the gymnastics. Pull the strap, load the stuff. The kicker is that this also unlocks a significantly larger cargo area than most people ever realize their car has. It's been there the whole time. You just had to know where to look. This one is genuinely one of the most obscure features I've come across, and a handful of manufacturers actually built it in. Certain vehicles have a dedicated hidden umbrella slot built directly into the car,
along the door sill, under the driver's seat, or in a narrow channel beside the front seat. The compartment is sealed or drained so that your soaking wet umbrella goes nowhere near your carpet or floor mats. Why does that matter? Chronic moisture trapped in carpet is one of the leading causes of that musty mildew smell owners spend hundreds of dollars trying to eliminate at the detailer. This feature is almost never mentioned by dealerships and is buried in a section of the owner's manual most people skip completely. Dig into yours. You might be sitting next to a hidden slot you've never used.
So, which one of these actually shocked you? Drop it in the comments right now. I read every single one. If you've been driving around clueless on any of these, no judgment. Just hit that like button so more people can find this video. Every like genuinely helps us keep making content like this. And if you want more hidden car features, money-saving tricks, and things your dealer never told you, subscribe to Driviq. We've got plenty more coming, and you do not want to miss what's next. Tap the next video right now. You're going to be surprised what else your car has been hiding from you.